Hi there, my name is Waldo from Triumph Services Corp. Ford Motor Company requests us packing services for several engines and gearboxes. This is a 360 video. To look around, pan your phone, drag the image or use a VR headset. Ford Training Center is super nice. Take a good look around. We will strap the pallets using poly straps and tie-down ratchets. Also, a good layer of shrink wrap will be applied for additional protection. After the 1,000-pound diesel engine is strapped, we protect it with shrink wrap. Drag the image and you'll see other members of our team securing more engines and gearboxes to the pallets. The tie-down and wrapping process continues until all the machinery is protected and ready to be loaded into a truck for the moving. We will post more 360 videos to our channel. If you enjoyed our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe. God bless America.